Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you something about Lord Jagannath. And yes, 2 days before, just 2 days before, it was Snana Purnima. There are 12 main festivals observed in Sri Mandir, and Snana Purnima is one among them. And the most funniest thing is, just like us, after this Snana Purnima, all the three deities also, they fell sick. And how this Snana occurs, that I'm going to tell you. What happens in this Snana Purnima? You know, this Snana Purnima falls in the month of Jesta and full moon day, and that is June. And in this particular festival has two main facts. One is it is considered as the birthday of Lord Jagannath. Second one, in this occasion, for the first time, all the three deities are brought outside and they are placed in Snana Vedi, Snana Mandapa, where the bathing ceremony will be held. Now, the the beautiful scene is that when all the three deities are brought from the Garbha Griha or Sanctum Sanctorum, that time in a very peculiar procession they are brought, which is known as Dhari Pahandi. And after placing on the Snana Vedi, the Swaras, Mahaswaras, they just collect the water from the Sunna Kua. Sunna Kua is special Kua inside the temple. 108 pots of water are collected, and that was kept in Bhoga Mandapa. There all the waters are purified, chanting mantras and singing hymns and using the turmeric, sandalwood, flower, everything. They are purified before using for snana of all these three deities. Now the ritual starts like Mangala Arati and some other rituals are there. They are started and the waters are kept in the Snana Vedi. When the waters are brought by the Swaras and Mahaswaras in a queue, they means in a line, when they used to bring that water, that time they covered their mouth because so that the water will not be contaminated by their breath also. That is why they cover their mouth. Now the ritual starts with all this Mangalarati and all other things. Even the Gajapati Maharaj of Puri, he comes to that place for Chera Pahara. And when all the 108 pitchers, like 35 pots of water for Lord Jagannath, 33 for Lord Balabhadra, and 22 for Goddess Subhadra, and 18 for Sudarsana. After taking their bath, the decoration starts. Means the Daitapatis, they adore all the three deities with beautiful dresses. And Lord Balabhadra and Jagannath, they take Hati Bhesa, just like Hati, means elephant. And Goddess Subhadra, she takes the form of a Padma. She takes Padma Bhesa, means lotus. But why do both these deities, Balabhadra and Jagannath, why do they take this Hati Bhesa? What's the reason behind it? Now there is a beautiful story that once a Ganesha devotee, Lord Ganesh devotee, Ganapati Bhatta, his name was Ganapati Bhatta, he wanted to visit Puri. And the day he came to Puri, that was Snana Purnima day, he wanted to see Lord Jagannath. When he saw Lord Jagannath, he was disappointed. You know why? Because he wanted to see Ganesh within Lord Jagannath. But he couldn't see that. So he was disappointed and he returned back without bow. Even he didn't pray any of the deities and went back. On the way, he was stopped by a priest. Now this priest called him and said, one more time you come and have a darshan, you can see your Ganesh. And you know what? That priest was no one but Lord Jagannath. Now Ganapati Bhatta came back, and when he saw Jagannath, he could see his Ganesh, and even in Balabhadra also. And he started dancing out of joy. And just for that reason, every Snana Purnima day, Balabhadra and Jagannath are dressed up like elephant, just to remember his devotion, his love for Lord Ganesha. And another story was there, Snana Purnima, like Indradimna, King Indradimna wanted to build a temple for Lord Vishnu, as he was a great devotee of Lord Vishnu. So that time Lord Vishnu appeared in his dream and told him to collect the wood in near the shore of Puri and to establish, to make the wooden idols of Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra. And as you know, that is a separate story. I will tell you some other time. I think I have told you. And no one but Vishwakarma, the divine Vishwakarma, he only prepared that three idols. So in that Snana Purnima day, when all the rituals are finished and some special bhoga is also arranged for all the three deities, after taking their bath, 108 pitchers, what will happen? They will fall sick. Because you know, if we take so much bath, usually we fall sick. And if we fall sick, what we do? We undergo treatment. We go to doctor. Same way, Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra, they, after taking snana, they fall sick. And for that matter, they are kept in a different room, and that is also inside the temple. That is called Anasaraghara. And in Anasaraghara, no one can visit, no one can see the three deities for 15 days. They are kept inside. And just to have a darshan, three Pattachitras are, all these three deities, Pattachitras are kept, and the people have their darshan on that. Now, within these 15 days in that Anasaraghara, the Raja Vaidya, like we go to doctor, the Raja Vaidya starts his treatment to these three deities. And that too with a special Ayurvedic medicines. Even his prasad, means all the food items are changed. So everything is changed. He was in a very light food, like fruits and some other things. And after these 15 days, another reason is also there. Since the water is poured on the wooden idols, all his eyes, whatever paintings were there, they became, not visible. So once again they were colored. However, the Netra Utsav ceremony is held after this Anasaraghara, and after Netra Utsav, 2 days after, the great chariot festival, means Ratha Yatra is there. So on the whole, Snana Purnima gives a hint that Ratha Yatra is coming, the grand festival of India is coming. And as you know, Jagannath means Jagataranatha, means the Lord of this universe. This is the only God where no caste, no creed, no bar at all to anyone on the day of Ratha Yatra. Anyone can come, anybody can have a darshan, and anybody can speak his mind. However, Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra, Subhadra, these three deities, after treatment in Anasaraghara, they do get their, for quick recover. So after that, the Netra Utsav ceremony is held. Another, as I